Let's get to it.
Shout out Spear Halloween for making this video possible. Sponsor us, Spear Halloween, so I don't have to pay for props next time. I don't know how to open this. Oh my god. Bro, what is this? Let's not go too short to start. I don't know if I can cut this. It's so thick. You can't cut it.
Okay, a little bit.
Bro, what is this made out of? Whatever chemicals they put in. You can't cut it, but you can just pull it out.
It's better. Yeah.
Yeah? Does it work?
Look at me head on again.
What the hell is that?
Does it work? Hi, I'm Billy Mays.
Just Another Car Show is strictly here for comedic purposes and car biz. We are strictly here to communicate that Billy Mays is a freaking legend, much like that of the crocodile hunter and Paul Walker. We are here to show tribute to the legend that he was and have no intention of causing offense. We are here solely for your entertainment. If you are not entertained, are you not entertained? Gladiator reference. You may exit out and choose to not view our content. Just exit out if you're mad. Use this information wisely, because with great information comes great greatness. The information is not intended as anything bad, and we offer good biz with respect to the individuals we are impersonating.
Does this ever happen to you?
You bought a beautiful 97 Mazda Miata. But what's that? You're taller than 5'6"? Looks like you got a case of too tall to drive this car itis.
The amazing power of Boost 3D printing allows you to not only get rid of the inability to see, but also allows you to avoid getting all of those bruises on your cranium danium.
Bam!
All you need for the job is a Phillips head screwdriver. They're easy to install and look amazing when you're done. You feeling this?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Whoa. That was easy.
They're easy to install. Again. Boost 3D prints amazing handcrafted plastics from only the finest. What is plastic made of? The finest plastics. They go in so easily. I don't even know what to say, bro. I should have watched some more infomercials before this.
Well, all you're doing is screwing it in. Like, what else could you say?
Just screw in the handle at the appropriate angle and boom! Your visibility and cranium danium bruises are no more. Easy to install, easy to unscrew. If you passed kindergarten, and I'm pretty sure everybody passes kindergarten, you should be able to do this. Andy could even do it. Right, Andy?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that is pretty nice. And I just have to cut that cord.
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
Boost 3D Printing has come up with a wonderful product that will solve all of your problems. Not only does the
Come on, baby, what's the name?
Doesn't that look beautiful? Not only do you have more room to see when you're pulling up to the stoplight that you don't know if it changed colors anymore, but you don't have to bruise your head anymore. And that's just a beautiful thing. And this world needs a little bit more beauty. So if you're a motivated individual who wants to make your car look bad and get the girls with a simple quick fix, go to Boost 3D Printing on Etsy.com. We'll post a link below the video. Big thank you to Boost 3D Printing for providing an awesome product and not sponsoring this video. Still, click the link in the bio below if you want to get rid of those pesky Mazda Miata problems. Please sir, if you wouldn't mind, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. Really help feed me and my mums. Thank you.
That's pretty good. What?